Okay, I think this will be the last video for your first project. We have now finished adding the length field, and yours should say length. I accidentally did this twice and without clearing that, so I have to add a B at the end of this one. But we're going to do the summary statistics on it now. And go down here to summarize, right click on length, on the length heading, and go to summarize, Interstate 66 statistics, and we're going to change this field to length. I have to use length B, and you use length, the sum, and we're going to take out the case field. And now run this, and it should create a table that pops up over here. Then you right click and open it. And what you see here is that the 19 segments that make up this portion of Interstate 66 within Fairfax County, those segments add up to 20.33 miles. And I realize that this isn't a very elegant way to do this, but I think the reason that it is a little cumbersome is it gives us a lot of flexibility. There's many other things that we could have done with this data. If we had a really simple tool here to just calculate lengths of roads, it would only do a few things, and if you wanted to add more tools, you'd have a real long menu of tools instead of a tool that's very flexible that can be configured many ways. So you have to get used to a little bit of the tedium of getting there. But remember, these videos are available for you to come back and review anytime you need to. Okay, so let's finish this map. Take your screenshot first. You're going to use Snagit, and again, I'll help you if you need help with that. Just make sure that your contents is list by source, and then do the screen capture here and capture your table of contents and this table and a portion of the map. Okay, and then save that. Now let's close this, and we can close Interstate 66 attribute table, and we're back to this. Okay. So now what I want to do is we're going to just do some things to make this look nice. Okay. So we're going to add imagery to this base map. So go to base map and add the imagery. Okay. And I want to make the border of Fairfax, I want to change that. I'm going to click on the symbol for your Fairfax County, and let's change the color to no color. And let's change the border color to a bright green, medium apple, and let's make it a 2-point line. Okay, it makes it fatter, and then apply it. And you'll notice that this area near Dulles Airport is not clear. And the reason for that is there was no data there. And we know that there's no data there because nobody lives at the airport. Okay? And you might also notice this hole here. This is Fairfax City, and people live there, but they're not part of Fairfax County. Okay? People always ask me, then what's this little island of Fairfax County in the middle? And many of you may know that that's the government center for Fairfax County. So it's pretty unusual. I kind of wonder how many situations like this exist in America, where you have a county seat, a county office within a city. That's interesting. Okay. All right. So we're almost done here, and I'd like to make this feature here, the census tracts or census blocks, make them transparent. So click on Fairfax County block groups, and then you'll see that because we've selected it, it would also work if we had clicked on, say, Fairfax cities. It would go away if I click on the map because it's not a feature. If I click on a feature, you'll notice that feature layer appearance, labeling, and data pops up, because those are often tools that students or that analysts want access to. So click on Fairfax block groups and then click on appearance. And change, you can drag this slider, drag it to 50%. If you're having trouble with that, you can come over here and just use the tick arrows to dial it in to 50% transparent. Now you can see that that's transparent, and you can see some features underneath it. Okay, and maybe we want to make it even more transparent. It's up to you. You can play with that. I'll probably make it. I'm going to make it like 55, maybe even 60% transparent. I can still see the census blocks, and I can see more what's underneath. Okay, just wanted to show you that you have that ability to change that. Okay, you notice it's also changing its intensity and the scale over here too in the legend. Okay, so let's see, I think we might be done there. Yeah, this is the end of the project. Okay, next time I'm going to have a video prepared for you to make a layout that includes the states, the counties, and the block groups. And I wish that working with legends was easier. It seems to be a little more complicated than it used to be. But with a video to guide you, you won't have any trouble. Okay, so go to Map, and you can switch this back to List by Drawing Order. And I want you to just hit Save. And you're finished for now. Okay, thank you.